Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to go over how to combine multiple formulas functions into one formula. So I'll start with a vlookup, and then I'm going to look up the left 3 digits of the item number on this table in master data. So let's just do equals vlookup, and I'll start by doing left 3 and it's going to look up in these 2 columns, second column, hit enter. So it comes up with an error because this is formatted as text and the numbers in here are not formatted as text. So I'm going to add to this formula. So for the left A2, I'm going to put in front of that value, parentheses, and close the parentheses around the left. So to break that down, we are going to do equals left, that number, the 3. So first it's coming up with the first 3 digits of that, but it doesn't convert it to number. So next we're going to do equals value of that, which converts it to a number. Then we're going to do a vlookup of the number. So basically, I took the left function, turned that into a number value, and then did a lookup off the number value. But I combined it all into one formula here. So rather than doing them all 3 separately, I just put it all into one formula. So that's how you combine formulas in Excel. Thank you for watching.